Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. In today's video, we are going to do a fall clean and decorate. I'm so excited. I've been holding off on this fall decorate so I could share it with you guys. So I really hope you get inspired and motivated. If anything, just entertain you and maybe get some ideas. But I hope you enjoy, and let's get into the video. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I apologize that it's up so late. I was hoping to have it up in about a week after my first fall clean and decorate part 1, but things happen, you know, and we just got to keep going. So here I am. The video's up and I'm excited to share it with you guys today. I've got some things coming up that I'm excited to share. I'm going to be doing some Christmas decorating, probably some decluttering things in my home, and I don't know, maybe something for Thanksgiving. We'll see. I'm excited to share it all, so I hope you guys are here for the ride. So speaking of things being busy and just sometimes things happen and you're not prepared and you know you just got to keep going, I know I mentioned in my first video that I have 2 teenage daughters and a little boy, a 2-year-old. Well, he'll be 2 in February. But there's just so many different, I feel like I'm going in a million different directions, and, there's always something new going on, or something that needs to be done, an appointment that needs to be made, or an errand that needs to be run. And, you just got to keep going. And sometimes I feel like giving up, and I just, I hope that I can be inspiring in my videos, and, down the road we get to know each other a little more. But you just got to keep going. And I know you've probably heard that before, but it's true. You just got to, that's all you can do, is just keep going and do your best, and, good things will happen. But I just wanted to get on there and say that, because I know I feel it sometimes, the letdown and the disappointment, and just hoping you can do things, and they don't always work out, but things do get better if you just keep pushing through. Just a little bit about me. I am new to YouTube. I'm a mom of 3. I have 2 teenage daughters and a 1.5-year-old little boy. I'm married to my husband for 10 years now, and we've been together for 27 years, which is crazy to say out loud. I'm going to be sharing a lot of probably mom content, the homemaking, cleaning, decorating, maybe some cooking, probably some lifestyle. I'm so excited to share that. I think, YouTube is a great outlet for being creative, and I'm excited. I'm excited to start this journey, and I hope you guys will join me along the way. Thank you. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'm really excited to have some more content coming up. Excited to have some Christmas content. It'll be fun. So please join me for that. Bye, guys.